Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is dataset. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is dataset? A dataset is a collection of data typically organized in a structured format for easy access, management, and analysis. It can consist of various types of data such as numbers, text, images, or multimedia files, depending on the context and purpose of the dataset. Datasets are commonly used in fields such as statistics, machine learning, data mining, and scientific research to derive insights, make predictions, or test hypotheses. They can vary greatly in size and complexity, from small, well-defined sets used for specific analysis to large, diverse sets that encompasses a wide range of information. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is dataset is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.